So the results, we had like 500 leads from a webinar that we run, which is phenomenal. I didn't even believe it would be so effective. Because obviously when you run webinars, what I've done in the past is always like just put a link and then people would subscribe to it. But you convinced me, that if you make them DM you, it's gonna be much more effective. And I just took your expertise on it. So eventually the results showed itself, and it was absolutely a blast, And I think I had the highest show rate in history of all the webinars I hosted. So
That was Ruslan Bendenia, an e-commerce coach with over 1 million followers on Instagram. And from his organic traffic, we generated 525 webinar signups with a 67% conversion rate and the best show-up rate he ever got on a webinar. So in this video, I will show you exactly how we generated these results. And we will break it down into 3 parts. The exact DM funnel that got the signups, the reminder sequence that boosted the show-up rate, and the 4 things that made this funnel work so well. So by the end of this video, you will exactly know what we built and how you can replicate this for your own business. So let's start with the chat funnel. So Ruslan has his own e-commerce business, but he also helps other people start and scale their own stores with a high-ticket program. And to sell his high-ticket program, he offers a free webinar. So he promoted his webinar and asked people to comment webinar on his Instagram post or DM him webinar on his Instagram stories. And whenever they did that, they would get an automatic DM on Instagram. And then in that automatic DM, we ask, are you ready to build an e-com brand that actually stands out? Join my free webinar, how I used AI to build a 100K e-com brand and discover the system I used to launch and scale an e-commerce store to 100K a month. Just hit the button below or reply with webinar to get your free seat. And then we offer 2 buttons. They could click on yes, save my seat, and then they would continue with the funnel, or they could click on my time zone. And this is super important since Ruslan has an international audience. So they need to know at what time the webinar is so they know whether they can attend or not. So if they clicked on my time zone, we gave them instructions on how they could check at what time the webinar starts in their time zone. And if they click on yes, save my seat, they would continue with the funnel. And then we said, awesome, I will show you these 3 points, just a few quick steps to register you for the webinar. What is your name? And when they typed in their name, we said, nice to meet you, Joran. If you typed your name wrong, just click the button below to change it. And then we ask, with what email do you want to register for the webinar? Just type in your email below. And whenever they type in their email, then we say you're officially registered for the webinar. And this is going to be wild. So here's what you need to do next to make sure you don't miss it. And what happens next is super important because getting people to sign up for a webinar is one thing, but to make sure that they actually show up to your webinar is a whole other thing. So when they are signed up for the webinar, we give them the next steps that they should do. So the first thing that they should do is add and block the time in their calendar. This is super important because people come to events if these events are scheduled on their calendar. So when they click on that button, they can directly add it to their calendar. Then the second thing we ask them to do is to check their email inbox and spam folder to make sure that they get the webinar confirmation. And then the third thing is we tell them to show up live. And if they show up live, they get a live Q&A with Ruslan and Brian, which is one of his students. So that is the entire DM funnel. And with this DM funnel, we got 680 started conversations, 525 webinar registrations, which is a 76% conversion rate. And those were the first results. And again, getting people to sign up is one thing, but making sure they actually show up is another one. So to make sure people actually showed up, we added a reminder sequence. So one day after the sign up, we said, hey, thanks for signing up for the webinar. I'm genuinely excited to walk you through how I use AI to build a 100K brand. But before we dive in, I want to check in with you. How are you feeling about diving into this together? And then we gave them 3 options. So when they reply with excited, we say, awesome, I'm excited as well. And then we ask, what do you want to get out of this webinar? And they reply to it, and then we say again that they need to add it to their calendar and that they need to show up live. And then one day after that, we send them another reminder. So then we say, hey there, quick check-in, the webinar's coming up and I don't want you to miss it. You will see how I used AI to build a six-figure brand. Plus you will meet Brian, my student who did 100K last month. And then we ask again, did you already block the time in your calendar? And then if they say yes, we thank them and say we see them on the webinar. And if they didn't, we send them a button with the link. Then one day before the webinar, we send them another reminder. So it's it's almost go time. Tomorrow at 9 p.m., I'm hosting a live webinar, how I used AI to build a 100K e-commerce brand. You will learn these 3 things. Are you ready for it? And then we give them 2 options. Yes, let's go, or still a bit nervous. Regardless of what option they choose, we say, okay, see you tomorrow. And then 1 hour before the webinar, we say, we're live in less than 1 hour. During this webinar, you will learn these 3 things. Plus, you get a live Q&A with Brian and me. He made over 200K last month using my system. Just click the button below to join the webinar. And I will be honest about this. We send the last 2 reminders 1 day before the webinar and 1 hour before the webinar. And because of the Instagram DM rules, often you cannot send these reminders. But even still, this got insane results. We got a 45% show up rate, which was the highest show up rate Ruslan ever had. So again, 780 conversations started, 525 webinar registrations. That's a 70% conversion rate and a 45% show up rate, which is extremely high. So now the question is, why did this work so well and how can you use this for your own business? First things first, if you want this exact same funnel, you can sign up for my paid school community. Here you will get the exact webinar funnel template that I used for Ruslan. So if you're ready to dive into this, you can just go to the link in the description and sign up there. So why did this work so well? And it comes down to 4 things. So the first thing is that we used a chat funnel. So most people on Instagram are still using landing pages to turn their audience into leads and customers. And landing pages don't work anymore. They convert at around 5%. And what we see that with chat funnels is that they convert at 50% or more. So just by using a chat funnel instead of a landing page, it already works 10 times better. And then the second reason is that at every step of the funnel, we give them the exact steps that they should take. So for example, we say, just hit the button below to sign up. Just 2 quick steps to get you access. Type in your name, type in your email, add the time to your calendar, check your email, show up live. And this seems simple, but it's super important to tell people exactly what they should do to take the next step. Then the third reason is that we gave them a reason to show up live. So with most clients, we either give people a bonus if they show up live or they get a live Q&A with the creator. In this case, we did a live Q&A with Ruslan and with Brian, which is one of his students that made over 200K. And this gives people a reason to show up live because they can ask any questions they have. And then the last thing is that we added a reminder sequence. And this reminder sequence does 3 things. First, it builds the relationship with your audience because we ask how they feel about diving into the webinar together. And this shows your audience that you actually care about how they feel. And then your audience likes you better and the chance that they also show up is higher. Then second, it keeps your webinar top of mind. You remind them of the webinar, so the chance that they show up is higher. And then lastly, we nudge them multiple times to add the webinar to their calendar. And if the webinar is on their calendar, the chance that they show up is higher as well. So if I summarize why this funnel works so well, it's because we used the chat funnel, we gave them every step they should take, we gave a reason to show up to the webinar, and we used a reminder sequence. And that's how we generated those results for Ruslan. And if you want the exact template, you can check the link in the description. But this is just one of the results that I've generated for my clients. If you want to see how we generated 14K with a free challenge, please check out this video.